Hey, my name is Cody Vondell. I'm a multimedia creator based out of Atlanta. I've designed and animated motion graphics for commercials, music videos, Netflix specials, and social media content for a variety of brands and entertainers. I also create tutorials and YouTube content based on graphic design, typography, and motion design. I run an Etsy where you can buy t-shirts, hats, pins, patches, a variety of stickers, and of course, graphic design templates that will make your workflow a breeze. And last but not least, I've been producing music, playing shows, and making my own music videos since the 2000s. You can find my albums on Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, anywhere that you buy or stream your music. Make sure to follow me and sub to the channel to keep up with my latest drops, free resources, newest releases, and more. Thank you all for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.